Hey everyone, welcome back to channel EE Corp. In today's video I want to dive deep into why Bitcoin may be flipping in 2023 and heading into another major bull run. As many of you know, Bitcoin has seen some incredible price swings and hype cycles since it was created in 2009. But looking ahead to next year, there are several key factors that could drive significantly increased adoption and prices for Bitcoin. I'll be breaking all of these down in detail, so make sure to watch through to the end to understand why next year could be so important for the world's first and largest cryptocurrency. Alright, let's get right into it. First up, we have the Bitcoin halving coming up around March 2023. For those who don't know, the Bitcoin protocol is designed to cut the block reward that miners receive in half every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years. This reduces the issuance and supply of new Bitcoin as time goes on. Historically, these halving events have led to a surge of interest, hype and price appreciation for Bitcoin not long after they occur. With less inflation, Bitcoin becomes more scarce and valuable over time. The previous halvings saw Bitcoin go on massive bull runs months after, so there's a lot of anticipation building up for March. Secondly, institutional adoption and investments into Bitcoin continue to accelerate rapidly. Major companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, Square and banks like Goldman Sachs have started buying up and accumulating large amounts of Bitcoin to hold for the long term. They view it as a high-potential investment, store of value hedge against inflation and way to diversify their portfolios. This brings tremendous mainstream legitimacy and stability to Bitcoin as an investable asset class. More and more big players will likely follow these early adopters through 2023 and beyond. Regulation is also progressing quickly around cryptocurrencies. With clearer guidelines from the SEC, approvals of Bitcoin ETFs and increased regulatory certainty across different agencies, many of the roadblocks around Bitcoin are disappearing. Positive regulations would remove hurdles for getting into Bitcoin investing for both individual and institutional investors alike. It could also pave the way for greater usage of Bitcoin as an actual currency and payment network. Macroeconomic factors are also favoring Bitcoin's narrative and usefulness. Concerns over historically high inflation, potential currency devaluations and overall economic uncertainty due to political tensions or black swan events could drive more individuals and institutions to seek out Bitcoin next year. Its strictly limited and verifiable supply makes Bitcoin very appealing during such instability as a hedge against currencies losing purchasing power. Lastly, Bitcoin's fundamentals as a technology and network continue maturing and improving. Upgrades like the Taproot upgrade, which activated in 2021, enhance privacy, scalability and efficiency of transactions. The Lightning Network enables fast, cheap payments for smaller transactions. Mining power, infrastructure and distribution of nodes grows more decentralized and robust by the day. Many of the early technical criticisms and issues that skeptics have pointed out are actively being addressed, boosting Bitcoin's usefulness and resilience over time. So, in summary, with the upcoming halving, accelerating institutional interest, steadily improving regulatory clarity, current macro conditions favoring hard assets, and Bitcoin's technical capabilities rapidly advancing, the stage truly seems set for a potential flip back into a raging bull market in 2023. Of course, there are never any guarantees with investing and risks remain around volatility and speculation. But for long-term believers in Bitcoin's technology and mission, next year could very well be a really exciting and lucrative one. Let me know your updated thoughts on Bitcoin's future in 2023 and beyond down below in the comments section. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please like and subscribe for more in-depth crypto analysis and content. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you again very soon.